Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Begin by opening Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then click on the search bars on both and type in Send Anywhere. Now just get this free app from those developers. And when it's ready, hit open. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. On an Android, you can also click on Not Now in this pop-up and close it by choosing OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive over here on HUAWEI. Now you can finally select all of your files that you wish to send by tapping on all of those dots in all of those categories. Then, by clicking Send, next select it. If you wish to, you can always just go with one photo, just like I'm about to, by tapping on the chosen one and clicking on Send, then. Either way, now on HUAWEI, tap on the best option for you, choose Got It in the pop-up, and finally we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, then choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, now after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!